simple equations. So it's not like the other equations where you have to do lots of steps. This one, they're just pretty simple. That's why it's called simple equations. And this might look hard, but it's actually simpler than you think. It's 2 plus x equals negative 15. X equals negative 17. 2 plus negative 17 equals negative 15. Because you were able to take away the 2, but you still have 15 more, so you get back to negative 15. So, number 2. X is like we have to do like real equation steps, so because it's harder. So we do this and this. So this has to move here, and this has to move here. The strategy is if it's a number on like the very end, then you can go there. And if there's like an x on the very end, then the other x goes there. So, but there's a certain rule that you always have to follow. If you don't follow it, then you get it wrong. So, whenever you move negative x to this side, it turns positive. And if you move this x to this side, then it'll turn negative. So add these together is 2x. Add these together is 18. So it equals 9. Number 3. 25 minus x is equal to 6x minus 6. So I can do it again. So I'm going to move this side to this side and this to here. So it says 31 equals to 2x. So it equals 15 1/2 or 15.5. Number 4, x minus 13 equals to x over 5. So this is a trickier situation. So what I have to do is I can multiply 5 by here so that I can cancel them out. Negative 13 equals, to get this answer, you have to multiply 5 by both sides. So cancel this out, equals x, and this is 5x minus 13 times 5, which I don't know, so I'm going to do this. I mean, I know how to do multiplication, that is, I just don't know it automatic. So 15 and 65. So just before I forget, so 5x minus 65 equals to x. And I'll do this, I'll erase this because I don't need it anymore. So I'm just going to move this negative 65 over here, equals to 4x. X equals to 65, negative 65, not perfect. It equals, the most approximate answer will be, let's see, so 64 divided 4. Maybe I actually could divide 65 by 4, but I'm just going to try the most I can. 4, 6, 5. So 4 minus equals 2, 5, 6, 24 minus 1. So this equals x equals, so 65 4 equals 16 1 4 equals 16.25. because 1/4 equals that. Cut. So now we have to do number 5. So I have to times 2 on both sides. So it's x minus 14 equals to 2x plus 6. No, I have to multiply by 2 and 12. Equals, so x minus 2x equals negative 1x. Actually, yeah. And then it's, okay, so I went to this. Now, 14 plus 12 equals, 14 plus 12 equals 26. So x equals so this I'll have to move the negative to this side. So x equals negative 26. Number 6. We've done simple equations before, only these are a little bit trickier. So number 7. 20x equals to 5 times 3x plus 7. Now that's a tricky one. So So what I have to do is I have to shoot this to both sides. So it equals 20x. So I can erase this. Equals to 15x plus 35. So all of these have a common factor of 5. So I am going to move that. So this is going to go here and this stays. So it equals, so this goes here equals 5x and 35. X equals 7. So x equals to 7. X3 and 1 times 3. So 7 times 3 minus x plus 4. So it equals, so I have, this is tricky. I have to multiple here and here to make it easier. So first is x, and to do that, to make it easier, I'm going to do this regularly first and then times 3, but I'll also have to do it here. So I'm going to write 21 I'm going to write its own 3. So I can write 3 times 21 minus 7x. And I also have to plus 4. And x equals to 3 times 21 equals 63. Minus 21x plus 12. Now I'm going to move all of this. So x plus 21x equals 22x. Make this more clear. Equals to 63 plus 12 equals to 75. That's tricky. So I have to do this. So 2, 2, 7, 5. So what I get from this will be what x equals to. So approximately, the closest answer would be about 3, I would say. So 3 22s would equal 66 minus equals, so this equals 15 minus 6 equals 9. So the closest is the closest is 3, but it really has to be a fraction. So it equals so 75 over 22 equals to 3 and 9 over 22. So it equals 3 and 9 22s. And I'm not going to simplify it in decimal form because it's going to be tricky doing that.